Myself, C. Abhishek Bansal. I'm from Mumbai and I take law with Jessica. So, guys, everybody of you who's appearing in Jan will be very much stressed, tense. So, two groups, one group, both the groups, one group, Jan 25, May 25. Lot of confusion, lot of stress. Lot of people would be giving you a lot of different advices. So, hi guys, here I am with an amazing video for all of you who's appearing in Jan 25. Sir, I have a question. First question, sir, both the groups or single group? Both the groups or single groups? The day I started your course, okay, when we started doing law, the day when I finished the course for both the branches, people who have studied previously to me, still today also when I'm recording this video, the answer though remains the same. Always it is both the groups. Still, you have 3 months, 3 months, more than 3 months. You have. Okay, when I'm recording this video, it's October, November, December, and few days of January. So both the groups is easily manageable. So how it is? So guys, this is a video for last 3 months strategy, how to manage the both the groups, plus how to revise it, plus how to aim for a rank. Because you know it, if you get a rank or 70 plus, whichever is earlier, I will take you to Taj. Correct? So how to plan it? Okay. Now, generally, I assume that you guys, everybody of you who's studied from other academies also, you must have started with group one first. So your group one is generally very strong. Like every CA intermediate student appearing for CA Inter, their group one is generally very strong. Okay. So what you do is October 1st to 30th October. Okay. October 1st to 30th October. I keep that first day, the 31st day as a buffer for me. In that 30 days, what I do is I take 12 days for accounts, 12 days for my tax paper. This I am studying 4 to 5 hours per day, and in the evening time 2 to 3 hours per day I am doing my law. So along with accounts I am doing law, along with tax I am doing law. So imagine in 24 days you will be finishing off your entire group one. This I am saying, you're studying also, you're revising it also. So when do you study? So generally people who love theory subject, who loves a subject or who do not love theory subject, wake up early in the morning around 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. The first, like before you break for your breakfast, like around 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, you first do theory. Then after having a shower, like having breakfast 10:30 onwards, you do the practical subject, accounts or tax. In the afternoon, after having lunch, practical subject. In the evening again, a practical subject. Then 1.5 hour in the evening, again you do the law. Post your dinner, what you do, whatever you have done in the entire day, you revise. Whatever you have done in the entire day, guys, you revise the entire content. You revise the entire content on that particular day. So what is happening? You have studied it and you are revising on the same day. So both the things are happening. So I'm giving you 24 days. Plus, there are more 5 days. These 5 days are buffer. These 5 days are buffer for you. See, because what will happen? Sometimes you are not well. Sometimes at family, at home, somebody is not well. Maybe you'll have some obligation, maybe some family function, some festival is there, your birthday, babu ka birthday, some other thing would be there. So for that, you're using these 5 buffer days. Okay. Don't be relaxed. If you are done with in the 24 days, in that file, again you revise. Like 2 days accounts, 2 days tax, and one day my law you will finish it off. Understand? So this is for the October month. Now when I come for the November month, okay. So November we will have Diwali also. So November again we have 30 days. Again you divide us content into 12 days. 12 days. 24 days gone, and in the evening time you will do the audit. Same pattern you will do. Same pattern. So 12 days में costing, 12 days में you're doing the FM and SM, and then 24 days में you're finishing the audit. Same 5 days you will have the balance. Guys, same 5 days you will have balance for your revision. Again, buffer, Diwali festival, Children's Day is coming up, your family obligation, marriage function, whatever you want to do it in that 5 days. Okay. In case you are not going anywhere, you are at home, revise the content. So in the entire month of October, in the entire month of November, we are done with the group one also, we are done with the group two also. Now the main comes the December month, the revision thing. Now, in December, what you do? We have 6 subjects. We give 5 days per subject into 6 subjects. So 30 days, may eventually you are completing your entire both the groups. By 5 days, it has to be done because eventually you have to write in 1.5. Na? Exam, after appearing one paper, you have only 1.5 days. Suppose you need to write, you need to revise it in like 5 days. First you have done in 12 days, now you're revising in 5 days. Now January may also I will be having more 8 to 10 days. So whatever is your weak subject, 8 to 10 days, whatever is your weakest subject, you again revise in January. Maybe somebody ka accounts is weak, somebody ka maybe costing is weak. That boss you can easily revise here. So both the groups were possible. Boss, obviously it's possible, provided that gist is in you that I need to appear for both the groups. It's not both the groups. For me, it's 6 papers. It is 6 papers. You can change the combination. Why you want to do group wise? Anyways, I have to clear both the groups. Then only my articleship will start now. Boss, if both the groups are clear, then only my articleship will start. So why I should say I should do accounts and tax? I can do accounts and costing also. I can do accounts and FMSM also. Eventually, I have to write all the 6 papers. Okay, instead of doing law first, I can do audit first in the October month. So whatever is your call, you can swap the subject. If you see the timetable, boss, it is easily manageable. Jan 25 people, both the groups easily manageable. But BUT, there could be lots of bhaiyas, bhaiya, lot of anna anni, lot of your relatives giving you free advice because advice is free. People who are not chartered accountant, they will give you advice about the chartered accountancy course. Wow. People who clear in 10 attempts will give you advice to clear in one attempt or give to 2 times. So call is yours. Understand if you don't clear in Jan, obviously you are paying me. Make articleship result will come in July. So in August month you will start your articleship, right? August month. We are in October right now, like close to 10 months, imagine. What if you clear in Jan? So if I clear both of the wow, in Feb I can start my articleship. Feb the results will be out. March I will start my articleship. If not both, at least one would be clear. So the burden in the May would be very much less. Okay, it will be very much less. Understood? So I would advise you. It's an honest advice. Everybody can do it. I see I have framed it thinking something, right? Obviously, there are people who get rank also, people who clear also. God has not given them extra anything. The whole thing is determination, discipline, dedication. Determination, discipline, dedication is very much important. So guys, appear for both of those. Now, in case if you're still pending with any of the lectures, okay, in case still you are pending with any of the subjects, any of the lectures, so what do? You can go to yashasacademy.com, go to shop here, go to CA Intermediate on the left side. So we have advanced accounts lecture, we have inter audit, it's in English. Okay, inter audit. This is again Karthika yourself audit. This is my audit. Then we have costing ka lecture. Then we have direct tax ka lecture. We have FM ka lecture. So other subjects are lectures also there. Combo is also there. So law ka lecture is also there. All subjects are video lectures are also available. In case if any of your friends who have not finished the course, you can easily do the content. Okay. So all those people who are still appearing for the exam January 25 or any of your friends who's appearing for May 25, you can recommend him or her that he can buy the video lecture and start studying. These lectures are 100% English for all the subjects. It is available on yashashacademy.com. Click on the button last shop, then filter it from your CA intermediate, and then you will see the lectures. Understood? I'll be putting up more such sessions on the channel. Do subscribe to the channel. Plus, I'll be putting revision videos also. Plus, we'll be having a Menti quiz again. I think we have done in plus people who have attended the lecture. We'll be doing the Menti quiz again for the law. Okay. I hope you guys clear. Clear Jan 25. Strategize. In case of any doubt, you can comment in the comment section or you can message me on the Telegram or Instagram. I'll be there to help you. So guys, aim for a rank or 70 plus, whichever is available. Bye guys. Take care.